Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by preparing both devices. Charge the Q23 above 50%, power it on, and set language if prompted. Open the vendor app on your phone and grant Bluetooth and location permissions so the app can discover devices. Once done, go to the app's pairing screen and choose Add Device or Scan. Make sure Bluetooth stays active. You should see Q23 appear in the device list within a few seconds. Tap the device to begin the pairing handshake. You'll now complete the middle steps. Either scan the QR code on the Q23's screen or select Q23 from the app's Discovered Devices list. When a numeric code appears, confirm it on both the watch and phone so the secure link completes. Next, allow the app to send notifications, access contacts, and sync health data. This lets calls, messages, and steps appear correctly. Make sure to enable background activity for the app so syncing continues when the phone sleeps. Finish by installing any firmware updates the app suggests. Updates often fix compatibility and battery issues, so install them and let the watch restart. Once updated, force a manual sync and test notifications, incoming call alerts, and step count display to confirm full connectivity. Sign in to any vendor account for cloud backup if available. If things go wrong, try this troubleshooting tip. Restart both the phone and Q23. Toggle Bluetooth off/on, and clear the phone's Bluetooth cache before retrying pairing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.